Hi children, how are you? I think you all are fine. Shall we continue the lesson? Unit 2, head, shoulders, knees and toes.
Write the parts of the body used to do the actions. Choose words from the list. Here parts of the body are given. Here some actions are given. We must write them. Watch TV, search internet, read books, see flowers. These actions can be seeing. Seeing action can be done by eyes. EYES, eyes. Listen to music. Listen to teacher. Hear bird song. Hear each sound. This action can hear with our ears. E-A-R-S, ears. Smell the dish. Sniff. Breathe in and out. Smell flower. Smelling can done by nose. N-O-S-E. Drink water. Chew food. Speak. Taste. This action can done with our mouth. M-O-U-T-H, mouth. Walk, run, stand, dance. This action must be done with using our legs. L-E-G-S, legs. Write, cook food, draw pictures, clap. This should be done using our hands. Hand will help us to do these things.
Correct these sentence and write the answers in the boxes. Children, here wrong sentence are given. We must make them right sentence and write in the box. We see with our nose. This sentence is wrong. We must write the right sentence. We see with our eyes. We hear with our eyes. This sentence is wrong. We hear with our ears. We smell with our tongue. This is also wrong. We smell with our nose. We taste with our ears. This is also wrong. We taste with our tongue. We see with our eyes. We hear with our ears. We smell with our nose. We taste with our tongue. Write true or false. Brush your teeth twice a day. We must brush our teeth daily 2 times. Then we can keep our teeth healthy and strong. It is true. Wash hands before you eat. We must wash our hands before eating and after eating. Then we should keep our hands clean. It is also true. Do not cut your nails. It is false. We should cut our nails whenever it grows. So we can keep our hands clean. We can avoid dust entering through mouth. Early to bed, early to rise. It is a good habit to sleep early and get up early. It is also true. Avoid junk food and soft drinks. It is also a good habit. We should not eat junk foods and drink soft drinks. it does not give us any nutrients. It is also true. Comb your hair. It is also true. If you comb our hair, we look smart. Do not apply oil to your hair. It is false. We should apply oil to keep the hair healthy. Rinse mouth after having food. It also good habit. When we rinse our mouth to clean our mouth. It is also hot.
My doll. Jolly Janaki. Write the words in the space given. Hair, ear, shoulder, finger, shoe, head, eyes, lips, hand, pink dress, knee, leg, toes. Complete the description. My doll's name is Jolly Janaki. She has long hairs and sharp ears. She has a big eyes on her face. She is wearing pink dress and shoe. I love her very much.
Hi children, this is game time. Shall we make a pop-up house? What do we need for it? We need a card, pencil, scale, scissor, color pencils. Fold the card in half. You must fold the card in half. Draw two lines. One is slanting line and another one straight line. Cut along the lines. Push the house through and fold backside. Open the card. Color the house. Now you have a pop-up house. You color as you like. Looking beautiful now, children? Children, some proverbs are given here. Shall we rearrange them? God lines is next. Cleanliness 2. Cleanliness is next to God lines. Worship work is. Work is worship. Index is of mind face the. Face is the index of mind. An apple, doctor, a day, away, the keeps. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Solve the riddles. What is broken when you speak? Silence. What has two legs and flies in the sky? What will fly in the sky? A bird. What cannot you hold for long, though it is as light as air? Your breath. What runs from Delhi to Mumbai without moving? The road. What has eyes but no head? A potato. What is most useful when broken? An egg. What has a head but no face? A pin. What always comes after a dog? Its tail. Thank you, children.